Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Paritosh Thakur. Today I have received a message from Facebook Messenger that why don't you make videos on GMP. So we are making video on the same topic, that is GMP. GMP means good manufacturing practice. So good manufacturing practice is a concept that ensures products are consistently produced and controlled to quality standards. Whatever the established quality standards, that is continuously, consistently maintained, and it is designed to minimize the cross-contamination during the food products production as well as during the packaging of that food product. It has 10 principles. The principle 1, step-by-step written procedure, follow procedures, document work, validate work, integrate productivity, quality and safety, maintain facility and equipment. Facility means company or the office, whatever. Define, develop and demonstrate job competency, make cleanliness a daily habit, build quality into the product, conduct compliance and performance audit. So we will discuss one by one, step-by-step procedure. That means you should have SOP, that how this production will continue, how this production will close, how the packaging will be done, how there will be the storage and how it will be dispatched and what will be the maintained during the transportation. Second one is follow procedure. Follow procedure means whatever you have agreed in the SOP, whatever the standard norm based on your quality standard system that you are following as per its soul. Then the third one is document work. Whatever the job is to be done during the production, during the dispatch, during the storage, that should be documented. And then the fourth is validate work. Validate work means you must have a checklist for all the procedure, all the steps that you are following during the production and how you maintaining the quality and the hygiene. And checklists should be done at their given interval, maybe hourly, maybe daily, maybe weekly, so that all the checklists for the validating the work that you have done. Then the fifth one is integrate productivity, quality and safety. That means when you are constructing the facility or installation of the machine or making the space for the job activity, that should be taken care at that time, that the production, quality and the safety should be integrated. It's not like that you are producing very high but the area is unsafe. It's not like that you are compromising with the quality. So at the time of this, you need to integrate all of this. Here you have to mention, you have to keep care that product quality is impacted by the factors like air, water, lighting and the ventilation temperature. So according to that, you need to close the area. According to you have to prohibit the human interference. It must be, or it should be, the minimum human contact during the production of any edible products. Now the principle 6 says maintain facility and equipment. At the time of installation or construction, you have thought integration and you did accordingly. Now to maintain this, you must follow the autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, that there should not be any breakdown or any impurities come from there and mix with the products. Then the define, develop and demonstrate job competency. Whoever employee working in the edible production system or the edible dispatch system or the food production storage area, they all employees should have properly defined job. After defining the job, they must develop themselves that what is the requirement, what is the objective of their job, and then demonstrate that you have to check always that whatever the job was agreed for that employee, they are following what exactly they have to do. Then the next one is make cleanliness a daily habit. This is much more important, that the cleaning should be given the topmost priority during the edible production system, the production criteria, and this all like surroundings of the machine and the machine itself or the employee itself should be properly maintained and clean. They should be to avoid this hygienic issue, you must have to maintain that every employee having the habit of default cleanliness. Then build quality into the product. Build quality means the quality that you are importing, that you are making during the production should continue until it is consumed. Some of the product having the expiry date maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years. So during all that period, the quality and the texture, the text should be maintained properly. So this is called controlled production system, that should not be deviation from the quality before the consumption. The last one is conduct compliance and performance audit. However, performance audit can be done internally, can be conducted internally, but if you are not sure, if you are not confident, hire them for as well. And the compliance audit mostly done by the external audit, by the system, by the quality system that you have installed there, that you have established there. Their authority or maybe the government authority will come and check and then give you the certificate. After the certification, you can say that our production system, our facility is GMP approved. So in short, GMP, this all activity we are doing to maintain the consistent quality and without compromising or without having any cross contamination, or that should be the minimized or better to not have. That's all. Thank you very much. We all are waiting for your feedback. We all means me and as well as to my team who is waiting for the feedback. Thanks to all.